Hi, welcome back to another video. If you are visiting here for the first time, hi there, I post easy DIY nail art ideas twice every week. So if you love nail art, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Now let's quickly get into today's nail art tutorial. Start by applying a good quality base coat to protect your nails. Once it dries off completely, apply a dark blue nail polish on your index, pinky and thumbnail and a natural color nail polish on your middle as well as ring fingernail like so. Now using a dotting tool or a toothpick, make some random golden spots on your middle fingernail like so. They don't need to be evenly spaced and they don't need to be circular in shape. Also, as you can see, I am only covering one half of my nail with these golden spots. Now repeat the same step on the ring fingernail as well. Now using the sharper side of the toothpick or a smaller dotting tool, draw some C kind of shapes around these golden spots like so. You don't need to be very precise while drawing these circular shapes around the spots. Just be creative and try to make different types of shapes around these golden spots to make it look like an animal print. Now to fill in the spaces, apply a few blue dots in the empty gaps like so to complete the animal print design. Now you can leave this design as it is and apply a top coat and you're good to go. But I just felt like going a step further and filling in the natural side of these accent nails with the blue nail polish to take this normal animal print design to yet another level and to also bring it all together. And that's it. Finally, clean your edges properly and then apply a good quality top coat to make your manicure look shinier and last for a longer period of time. I'm really impressed with the final results. This manicure looks super chic and classy and was really easy to make. Here's the final look with the glossy top coat. And here's the look with the matte top coat. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think of this nail art design, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.